Casablanca's glow fade.
Here we are in Martil. Had a nice quiet night after 11 o'clock. Just to 11 o'clock there was loads of kids and people whizzing around in this car park behind me there. You see the car park? And after 11 o'clock I got to sleep. This morning we've got some building boys making a bit of noise. It's 9 o'clock. Everything's rosy.
Wave us on through the land. The GPS blinks, but the stars shine clear. Southbound, my friend, adventure is here. Oh, we're rolling where the tar meets the road. Windows down wide, this whole wild land. From the blue city gates to the dunes, standing still, Morocco's calling. We answer it all. Tadra's walls rise like a canyon's embrace. Our shadows stretch long in this timeless place. Air Chevy's waves golden and grand. We park by the tide, our camp in the sand. Tony, my friend, ever seen the dawn? Turn the desert into fire, let's stay till it's gone. The stove hums soft, the tea's poured just right. Night wraps us up in its velvet light. Oh, we're rolling where the tar meets the road. Windows down wide, this whole wild land. From the blue city gates to the dunes, standing still, Morocco's calling. We answer it all. Back in Marquette, the camper still hums warm. Spices and story, our traveler's charm. But the map has got new lines where the wild roads unwind, and the desert's still there when we're ready to find. Oh, we're rolling where the tar meets the road. Windows down wide.
We've arrived at the campsite in Chefchaouen, camping Asile.
Standing still, Morocco's calling. We answer it all.
I called last night, he said yeah, no problem, but when we get here and ask for 2 nights, he said no, only 1. So well, we're going to go down to Chefchaouen now, have a walk around. He said we can leave at 4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon but still only pay 1 night, so that was good of him. We're going to go down there and have a look around now, so follow us and enjoy the trip. These Dutch get everywhere, don't they? Look at them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 Dutch wagons all in a line. Anyway, we're parked up here nice and calm, 2 Frenchies.
Minty steams at a roadside stand. Old men smile, wave us on through the land. The GPS blinks, but the stars shine clear. Southbound, my friend, adventure's here. Oh, we're rolling where the tar meets the road.
Le Dari.
Windows down.
Et qui?
Faut acheter le couscous Dari ici.
Ah, c'est
C'est
quoi
moins
un
cher.
couscous?
Le couscous.
Ah, couscous.
Tu regrettes pas alors?
Non.
Je cherche plein de trucs pour.
Voilà, tu allez voir avec ton homme.
We answer it all.
Attends, je te filme derrière. Hein. Bouge ton cul.
Tigers walk like a
Coco. The best mango.
You're very welcome. Soyez bienvenue à Chefchaouen. Les magiques jus.
J'ai là.
Oui, bah, tiens-moi-le.
Ah, c'est le chien.
Là, il y a pour...
Magique muffin. Bienvenue. On a 13 € pour vous ici. Hein.
Quoi?
On a 13 €. Vous êtes là.
Il est heureux, on est là, parce qu'il n'est pas travaillé toute la
Speak
journée.
English. We're so glad you are here.
Yes, yes, because you haven't worked all day.
Hi, the experience so much. Look. 100% natural. The whiskey.
Are you
No,
Scottish?
the wine.
Ah, yeah, Bordeaux.
Wine without alcohol.
Ah.
That's alright. Not cold.
Well,
answer it all.
tu parles français, oui, moi aussi. Mais pas aussi bien que toi, peut-être. Là, c'est
Combien
des
vous vendez les stickers?
Spices and stories.
Les longs, là. Les films, là, 100 dirhams.
100 dirhams?
Ouais.
But the map has got new lines where the wild roads
Well, we're taking a walk around Chefchaouen. Look at this little fella, fast asleep.
On était dans un camping où la Oui, mais donc, tous les Français qui ont
Magnifique, s'il n'y avait pas plus
Merci. Love Chefchaouen. Tu as vu Love?
Ouais.
Donc, il m'a dit l'enchaîne sur rien.
C'est toi qui as dit ça?
Ah non, je suis jamais trop tard.
Pourquoi il est trop tard?
Yes! Ah! Vas-y.
minty steams at a roadside stand.
Là, c'est nature, celui-là, on parlait les kids. Non, c'est pas celui-là qu'on a goûté.
GPS makes but the
Bravo.
shine.
Allez, on est trouvé un taxi €1 ahead.
C'est bon, la mademoiselle?
Oui, c'est bon, c'est bon. Oui, elle est toujours là.
Demoiselle, elle est derrière. Philippe, tu as vu où je suis?
Oui, oui, c'est très bien, Badine. Moi, je suis très bien, moi.
Très bien?
Ouais, impeccable.
Allez, caméra. Oh, la caméra.
La caméra, ouais.
Bonjour.
On va se faire un
Combien de kilomètres?
Oui. Ben, c'est clandestin, c'est pour ça qu'il y a le rideau. Regardez le compte.
85 000.
140.
140. Hein? C'est dit, c'est
Qu'est-ce que tu as trouvé?
140 000 km.
140 000 km.
Ah bah ça va. Le
Suzuki.
Depuis que je viens, il en a plus maintenant.
Le troisième.
Allez, on prend les longs. Chefchaouen.
Viens dire un par couple.
It's got loads of curtains around it. It's like a brothel. Obviously, it's a clandestine. It was getting it quick. Shut the door and let's go. Bad boy club. Oh là là, ouais.
Answer